Alright, today I'm going to show you how I converted one of the back porch awnings into a camper awning. So this is on Amazon, pretty cheap, and it's got these poles that you would put up under your gutter, and the bases you would put on the ground, and then you would raise these up and you would have these little plastic housings for the ends of these to go into, and then you have this bar here that you would twist to lower it out. So what I did is I basically made one of these out of steel and put it in the end of a 3-inch PVC pipe. You can kind of see that or not. That's what I did. And the 3-inch PVC pipe has been painted black, and I cut a slot going down the entire length of it, and basically just made some brackets here that bolt to the frame of the camper. So whenever you want to lower it out, you pull this pin right here, and then you just kind of grab a hold of it and you start twisting this, and you do have to give it a little bit of pull, just not much, just to get it started once, and then gravity will kind of take over. So I'm going to go ahead and unlatch these guys right here, these little pins I've got. Now I do have to pull on this a little bit to get it to start. But basically, it just rolls up inside of a piece of 3-inch PVC. And it is a little bit windy today. There we go. It's a little snug inside there. But basically, this is it right here. Once you get it out, you pull these pins right here, and you would put them up inside these pieces right here. And then you would tie the corners down with some rope or twine or whatever you've got. So and then going back up. So my plan is to put some Velcro on the back of this and on this, and be able to slide it up under like that, so that this also goes up inside the tubing. But this saved me probably about $600. So that's that. And I've got this piece of Velcro that goes here. And that's that. So these were the original poles that you see there on the ground. And the spindles would go inside there. And then these would go up under your gutters and on the ground, and then it would do the exact same thing. Seems to work pretty well. Just wanted to kind of show you guys how I turned a $100 back porch awning into a camper awning. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.